You should be able to create a great deal of programming logic with the techniques you've already learned in this session. But you can use logical operators to make your if statements even more powerful. To begin, open the Shining Stone sample file from your Sample Files folder and open the code behind file of buy.aspx. We are now going to use the AND logical operator to check for two conditions in a single if statement. The double ampersand is the AND logical operator. By using AND, you can check many different conditions in a single if statement. Change the if accepted terms line to if accepted terms equals true, ampersand ampersand, page.isValid. This makes the single if statement check both conditions. The code inside the if statement will only run if both the accepted terms variable and the page.isValid property are true. The if page.isValid statement is now redundant, so remove it. Note that it's possible to use a single ampersand instead of a double ampersand, but there are very few, if any, situations where this would be a good idea. With the double ampersand, C# will stop checking your conditions as soon as it finds one that doesn't match. For example, consider the following code. Bool first bool equals false, bool second bool equals true, if first bool and second bool. When C# sees this, it will check first bool, see that it is false, and stop checking. It won't bother checking second bool. However, if you only used a single ampersand, C# would check both, even though it knows the code won't run after seeing that first bool is false. There's only one circumstance I can think of where a single ampersand would make any sense. This would be when the second logical test called a method, and the programmer was relying upon the method being called. This would, of course, be very poor programming practice. Next, we're going to use the OR operator to check if any of several conditions are true. The double vertical bar is the OR logical operator. The AND operator is different to OR because AND will only run if every condition is true. Change the else if selected country line to else if selected country equals United Kingdom or selected country equals Ireland. By using the OR operator, you've made the if statement execute its code if the value of the selected country variable is either United Kingdom or Ireland. View the page in your browser now. Now complete the form. And try selecting United Kingdom or Ireland. As you can see, both options cause the if statement to run and print eligible for free delivery at the top of the page. Close your web browser now. Next, we're going to use the NOT operator to check if a condition is not true. The exclamation mark is the NOT operator. You have actually used it once already in Lesson 5.6. So far, all of your if statements have been used to check if a condition was true. You can use the NOT operator to check if a condition is false. Of course, you could also use == false to accomplish the same result, but the NOT operator requires less code. Change the if accepted terms statement to if not accepted terms == true, or not page.isValid, response.write, you must accept the terms and conditions to continue. As you can see, by using the NOT operator, you've made the if statement do the opposite of what it did previously. You'll notice that you also use the OR operator instead of the AND operator. This is because you want the code to run if either the value of the accepted terms variable is false, or the value of the page.isValid property is false. The following else statement is now redundant, so remove it. Note that the NOT operator is more versatile than the others and can be used in a number of ways. For example, if you had a bool variable called myBool, all of the following would check if the value of myBool is false. If myBool not equals true, if not myBool equals true, and if not myBool. In Lesson 7.4, you'll learn about bracketing logical operators, which can be used to make logical operations even more versatile. Note that you can also use the greater than and less than operators to check if one numeric value is greater than or less than another. You can also use greater than or equals and less than or equals for greater than or equal and less than or equal comparisons. You've now completed Lesson 7.3. Use basic logical operators.